Focus.
Focus na. Okay na yan, wala tigay kay. Palipas ko lang ito. Tak-tak mo. Ganda na. Dali ba na? Nakabuti na lang. Sir, i-reiterate ko lang. Only the coach will stay there sa bench. Pero kasi...
Again po, reiterate na po namin, only the coach of the team will stay at the bench. Okay? Coach lang po, coach lang po.
And this is game between Tugigarao and Santiago City. First ball coming from nakuha ng Santiago. Santiago for 3. Wala. Rebounded by number 9. Wala pa din. Pass to number 7. Kalubaki to number 8. Butakan to number 7. To Butakan to number 2. Butakan for 3. Wala. Nakuha ni number 12. Padilla. Good for 2.
Number 12. Number 9. Block by number 1.
Number 2 to number 12. Number 2 for 3. Bang! Number 2.
By number 2.
Butakan. Oh, block.
Block by number 9. Number 3.
Oh, block din.
Block by
May bawi.
number 1.
Oy, block.
Block by number 1.
Number 1. Oh, gandang
2
sabit.
points by number 1. Coming score. No good. Number 8. Two points by number 1.
Guys, 9-0. Pass to number 3. Okay, the way shot. It's good.
Look at the board. 2 points. Standing score.
Butakan to Kalubaki for 3. Kalubaki. Oh, open.
By number 2.
Oh, open.
Good putback by number 9.
Kayang-kaya. Oh! Nice alley-oop shot.
Good 2 points by number 2. Number 3, 3 points. Number 7, 3 points. Using the board, Bowen. Foul, number 12, pushing foul.
Takbujay! Jing to the
Number
winner.
7, 3 points by number 7.
To please proceed at the ground level of the grandstand.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Of award. I will repeat. The winners of the
Bang, bang.
2018 Super Chase
That's 1 minute.
from the for
2 points by number 7.
The schools division of Igaraw, the schools division
5
of
seconds.
Bagayan for silver, and the schools division of Isabela for gold. We have the
And that's the end of the first quarter. Standing score, 19-12 in favor of Tuguegarao City.
To those winners, thank you.
Natuloy ba dyan? Hindi ka man? Wala, okay. Natuloy ba? One game din, di ka naman?
One pass.
With sa mga tournament managers natin, kindly proceed at the ground floor for the medals and awards. Yung pati needed sa ground floor po. Thank you.
Using the glass. 2 for 2.
Yes, sir, thank you. For 3. Bang!
For 3 by number 3.
Reno Province against number 17, North. For Shatter.
Oh, block.
Double pick for the long three. No, for the follow. By number 11. And foul.
Announcement.
Bang!
Silver and gold medalists. Yours is
Number 8. Butakan, the fourth general for Tuguegarao almost. Number still number 8. Halftime. That's gonna be fountain. Nice. Basket. With the top. Assembly for the white shot. Here we go out again.
Oh, nice pass. Block.
Recover the leather. Butakan. Open to Ataban. Pick out for that long three. Short this time. One more try. Possession. Out to this guy. Number 7. Step back. Rotation to number 8. Butakan. There we go. And Celtics play. Resulting to play. Shot clock winding down. Line drive. Spin. Inside. Short. Now offline this time. Number 7. So that guy is partner, no problem. No, follow up. He's still no good. Ball for the edge. Oh boy, Huda. Third team fouls for Santiago City. Number 1 at the post. Crossover, banging up bye-bye. Seconds to play. 15 seconds. 10. Kaya na po, kaya na pa. Pasensya na at nahuling releases the possession number 7 to number 17. Basahin. It is wrong. Saktong pulot ni Onse. Off the glass. 2-3 possession. And finally, basket for number 11. Ito naman Santiago babawi. Teardrop using the ball. Basket is good. Big basket for Santiago City. Number 7. Baltas with Carter Baligan. No problem with that. Call up. Number 7 of the Tuguegarao City. Ito Butakan. Bye-bye. There we go. Kick out on his partner to number 8 for 3 points. Yes, sir. Backyard. Butakan. Picked by Bakiran. Looking to the air. At the crosser. Isikan. Wala. Tira.
Oh! What a rejection!
No easy basket for the red shirt, of course. 17. Back to him. 7. Is the play up. Stand line. Down pass. Number 12. Floater move. Bingo! Fires. Shot. Pasok sa barangay. Wala pa rin.
Uy!
Bye. Extra pass. Bomba dito.
Oh, Kobe.
Problem. Sa mataling niya ni number 12 sa gitna. Oh! Nice one. Sa pangalan, nakapik. Nakakasi, partner. 11 ngayon. Sa kamay. Sandali lang po. Oras natin sa third quarter, ha. Ah, may tulak daw, sir. Ano? 43-29. Ayun. 30 na yan. Alam ito. Numero 15. Pick ni 11. Lalapit. Ikot. Bingang bato. Pero wala. Agawan ng bola. Santiago City Katawit. Numero 12. Ano ba gawin? Tangan. 12. Ang hirap na tirang yun. Pero pagpulutin ang kanyang kape. Ay! May pito si referee Francis Inming. Isa pa yan. Last 1 minute 27. Isang minuto, 27 segundo. Basket yan sa cross-court Pascal Albakit. Yan! Hindi pumasok. Sayang. Number 12, pinulat niya sila, hindi niya pinasok. Pero biglang ay nandun siya sa harapan ni Bayo. 5 seconds!
5 seconds!
Okay, naubusan ng data. Kanina, umabot yan ng halos isang dosena o mahigit pa, 15 na nga. Anong yung gagawin ng Butakan? Ground pass kay Kalubakit, pick ni Moan. Diskarte nila, 8. Shot clock na opos. Ground pass niya, Prakaran, pero ayaw bigyan ng easy basket itong si numero
Boys, 100 meters, elementary boys. 100 meters, secondary boys. 100 meters, secondary girls. 100 meters, elementary girls. 3,000 meters, secondary girls. T20 boys 15 years old and below. Boys shot put. T12 girls shot put. T13 boys shot put. T13 girls shot put. Secondary boys. 200 meters, secondary girls. 400 meters,
Oh, block.
elementary boys. 400 meters, elementary. Announcement to all the winners of the following fields. Please go now to our center for the awarding of bronze, silver, and gold medals, together with your certificates and medals. Thank you so much.
announcement. Yes. Back to basketball number 12. Isya naman. Kick out kay Tres. Balik sa kanya. In the line of Giants. Babagsak kay numero 7. Ito tsansa para ibaba sa single digit ang Kalabakan. Oh! Iniwan. Ganun talaga kung iniiwan. Masakit. Number 7. Butakan. 8 ngayon. Inside pass! Aerial ball! Nice sa combo. The combo. play between the Tugigraw City and yes! Sayang! Nice one! Nakuha sa tiyaga sa team Tugigraw.
Recons, Tugigraw.
Alright, play. 5. Okay lang na. Oh! Open 3, patay ang butike. Takbuhan ng butik. Eksakto naman kay Shet. Ano nangyari? Ayos na yun, sabi ng Butakan. Ito na. Ito na si Butakan. Cross-court pass. Iniwan. Side step. Pero hindi pumasok. Sa kanila pa rin. Butakan!
Reservation fee.
Ito na. Okay. Basket tanong. Isang dyan daw. Basket. Yan. Sige. 12. Signal for. Sa kanya pa rin. Naupos ang oras. 4. Step forward. 3 no. Takbuhan ulit. Pinama pa pero recovered. Balik kay Butakan. Galing naman. The vision coming from jersey number 5. Tugigraw City. Ay! Yes, sa'yo. Sabi ni referee natin yan. Foul para kay 4. Hacking foul. 2 free throws. Wala. Sa kanila pa rin, pero may pito si ref. Sorry naman, di mo sinasadya yan. Foul number! Inside pass. Nandun ang kanyang malaking depensa. Side step. Ang bilis naman na itong kamay na itong si number 8. At ang foul kay number 12. Penalty situation. 4 na yun. Hahanapin si Ocho kay Valdez. Laban kay Dos. Kumuha ng velo. Eksakto! Kulot yan. Ibabagsak lang ang ball ni number 1. Cross-court pass. Ocho. Parang gagamitin na nila ang kanilang oras. Nasundutan. Tatakbo ang Santiago. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ayaw ni 14 shot clock. Ang 12. Umatake. Tibla. No problem. Iyalo. Number 12. Passes corner. Ito na. Kay 7. Nasa harapan niya si Uno. Walang nagawa si Uno kundi pasang kanyang kamay. Pero hindi na-intimidate itong si Uno din. Kaya umiscore. Sa pagkakataong yun, 10 na lang ang 49, 59, 7, laban kay 12. Ang yari! Teka, may pito si Rezan na 12 seconds. Isang minuto, 12. Yan, basket na isa. Yamat sa 11 kalamangan, 60-49. 1 minute, 2 seconds. Last 1 minute. Ano? Ana. Shot clock na upos. 7. Ikot. Ayos sa'yo. 52 seconds. Butakan. Kay Balawal. Kay Batakan. Eksakto. Basket. Kay sinabay pa. Para sa numero. Basket 3. 53 po. Ay, offline, pero dito foul ka na. 15.
Teras yan. Kaya niyo. Ginigilig dito. Oh!
Congratulations, both teams! And of course, to the winner, Team Tugigraw City. And of course, to the officiating officials,